Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, December 12, 2024. Today's video is about Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa. Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa, born December 12, 1948, is a Portuguese politician and academic. He has been the 20th and current president of Portugal since March 9, 2016. As a member of the Social Democratic Party, he previously served as a minister and parliamentarian in the Assembly of the Republic. This photograph of Rebelo de Sousa was taken in 2017 at Web Summit, an annual technology conference held in Lisbon. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.